Hello everyone, my name is Irfan and I'm coming from Mustavio, a SkyTech flight operation team. Today here we have DJI Matrice 400. So here, as you can see, we have DJI Enterprise Matrice 400, the flagship of DJI Enterprise drones. Sharpish technology, super modern, and just out of the factory, DJI Matrice 400. At SkyTech, we use these enterprise drones to provide advanced and commercial aerial services across many industries. That includes infrastructure inspections such as visual or thermal inspections, construction progress tracking, agricultural survey or geomatic surveys, 2D or 3-dimensional mapping, and of course emergency response. So here we have the drone in its carrying case, we have the smart charging case, and we have TB100 intelligent flight battery, the drone battery. So we're gonna open all these three boxes together now. Alright, so in the box we have the drone already assembled with all the props, the battery for the controller obviously, the controller, the drone, the props, the landing gears, and all the accessories and spare parts. So let's take it out. First we gotta connect the landing gears. Connect it like this. And then bring this one down. Lock it like this. Do the exact same thing with the other gear. Perfect. When the gears are installed, you just simply pull it out, rotate it. Beautiful, beautiful. And put it on the ground. Alright, so the drone is out of the box. We remove the motor cover of the front motors as well. Put it aside. And then bring the arms to fully open position. And simply lock it by this. Remove the covers. The prop design, it's very, very unique. First time seeing a design on any propellers this way. So this will give us enough thrust to take around 18 kilograms of drone in the air. Alright, so here's the drone fully opened up, fully assembled, ready to go. But to fly the drone, you need the battery. That's why we have TB100 intelligent flight battery. So we're gonna open this one as well. This is our drone battery. Remember, for 350 it needs 2 battery, 1 pair. For this one, it needs only 1 battery. It's a bigger battery and it gives you 59 minutes of flight time. Alright, let's take this battery out. It's literally like a bucket of energy. Alright, the next part is taking the radio controller out. It's a brand new radio controller. It's different than the DJI Matrice 350. This one is DJI RC Pro 2. Much better, larger, and longer range because of all these antennas that it has. So the most appealing and satisfying part, we remove this one from it, and then we will turn on the controller. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is the controller right now is in the sleep mode because it's just out of the factory. So you have to connect it to the charger, let it charge for a bit, and then you can turn on the controller. Alright, so we charge the controller a bit. The controller is now awake. Click and then hold. the controller will turn on. And there's a little bit of process for activation and initialization and software update on the brand new control. Put the link of the DJI website down below our video that you can go there and see how you can actually initialize, activate and update the radio controller on this drone. Alright, so everything is updated now. Firmware is updated. When you click on it, on update all devices or update all, it says everything is updated to the latest version of firmware and software. So now everything is good to go for us. Alright guys, that was our tutorial video on opening it up, unboxing, assembling and initializing and activating a brand new DJI Matrice 400. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care, see you next time.